Hi friends, in this session we'll start with standard 11 chapter number 1 DPP. आप सभी के पास इसका PDF अवेलेबल है. Question number 1 on your screen. In compound A, 1 gram of nitrogen units with 0.57 gram of oxygen. In compound B, 2 gram of nitrogen combined with 2.24 gram of oxygen. And in compound C, 3.0 gram of nitrogen combined with 5.11 gram of oxygen. This result obey the following law. So answer B, Bombay, that is multiple proportion, is your right answer. Question number 2 on your screen. 10 to the power 21 molecules are removed from this 200 milligram of CO2. The moles of CO2 after left. So number of moles, that is given mass divided by molar mass. So number of moles in 200 milligram is 200 divided by 1000 multiplied by 44. Why that is 1000? Just because it is in milligram. So number of moles is 4.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Number of moles in 10 to the power 21 molecule means 10 to the power 21 divided by Avogadro number, that is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now simple, subtract कर लीजिए, दोनों 10 to the power minus 3 में है, 4.5 minus 1.67. So your answer is 2.88 into 10 to the power minus 3. That is A, Ahmedabad is your right answer. Question number 3 on your screen. What volume of hydrogen gas at 273 Kelvin and 180 amp pressure will be consumed in obtaining by 21.6 gram of elemental boron? From this reduction, boron trichloride by hydrogen. Means एक chemical formula आपको prepare करना पड़ेगा. That is BCl3 plus H2. You get B plus 6HCl. And then you have to solve this numerical. First prepare the chemical formula. That is 2BCl3 plus 3H2 gives 2B plus 6HCl. Now since 10.8 gram of boron required, hydrogen, that is 3 by 2 into 22.4 at NTP, that is normal temperature and pressure. Hence 21.6 gram of boron required for hydrogenation. So 3 by 2 multiplied by 22.4 divided by 10.8 multiplied by 21.6. Simple multiplication कीजिए and your answer is A, Ahmedabad, that is 67.2 liters. Number of oxygen in 32.2 gram of Na2SO4.10H2O. बहुत ही सिंपल है. Na2SO4.10H2O का मोलर मास हो जाएगा 322 एंड उसके अंदर ऑक्सीजन का वेट हो जाएगा 224. Once again, molar mass of Na2SO4.NH2O हो जाएगा 322 और उसके अंदर ऑक्सीजन का वेट हो जाएगा 224. So basically अगर 322 के अंदर 224 तो 32.2 के अंदर सिंपल 22.4. C, Calcutta is your right answer. Question number 5 on your screen. 6.02 into 10 to the power 20 molecules of urea are present in 100 ml of its solution. The concentration of urea is simple molarity. Capital M you have to find out. So moles of urea present in 100 ml, that is 6.02 into 10 to the power 20 divided by 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. So M is equal to 0.01. B, Bombay is your right answer. Question number 6 on your screen. If we consider that 1 by 6 in the place of 1 by 12, the mass of carbon atom is taken to be this relative atomic mass unit, the mass of 1 mole of substance will be. Obviously 1 by 12 and 1 by 6. So D Delhi, that is decreases twice, is your right answer. 7th, once again a numerical. The weight of NaCl decomposed by 4.9 gram of H2SO4 if the 6 gram of sodium hydrogen sulfate and 1.825 gram of HCl were produced in this reaction is. तो यहाँ पे भी वंस अगेन आपको एक केमिकल फॉर्मूला बनाना पड़ेगा. NaCl plus H2SO4 gives NaHSO4 plus HCl. So फॉर्मूला के अंदर NaCl is X, H2SO4 is 4.9. गिवन डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट करके लिख लीजिए. NaHSO4 is 6 ग्राम, HCl is 1.825 ग्राम. नाउ मास ऑफ रिएक्टेंट इज इक्वल टू मास ऑफ प्रोडक्ट होना चाहिए. सिंपल, मेक ए फॉर्म ऑफ X. योर आंसर इज 2.925 मीन्स C कलकत्ता. Question number 8 on your screen. Which one of this following is lightest? Number of mole find out कर लीजिए, आपको पता चल जाएगा. C कलकत्ता is your right answer. 9th. How many moles of magnesium phosphate, that is Mg3PO4 twice, will contain 0.25 mole of oxygen atom? One mole of Mg3PO4 contain 8 mole of oxygen atom. So अब उल्टा लीजिए, 8 mole of oxygen is equivalent to 1 mole of Mg3PO4 twice. So 0.25 gives how much? So that is 1 by 8 multiplied by 0.25 mole. That is 3.125 into 10 to the power minus 2 mole of Mg3PO4 twice. 10th. Statement number 10. The density of 3.60 molar sulfuric acid solution, that is 29% H2SO4. ऐसा ही एक और सेम न्यूमेरिकल एंड एक्सरसाइज में अवेलेबल था, HNO3 वाला. अगर आपको HNO3 वाला एंड एक्सरसाइज का न्यूमेरिकल पता हो, याद हो, तो ये न्यूमेरिकल बहुत ही इजी है. सो 4 ऑप्शन पढ़ लीजिए. लेट्स स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशन. सो H2SO4 मोलर मास इज 98. आपको मोलारिटी दी हुई है 3.60 मोलर, मीन्स 3.6 मोल प्रेजेंट इन 1 लीटर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. सो 3.6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 98, तो आपको मास ऑफ H2SO4 मिल जाएगा. Now 1000 ml सॉल्यूशन हो तो उसके अंदर मास ऑफ सोल्यूट मीन्स H2SO4 कितना होगा? 352.8. तो रिमेनिंग क्या हो गया आपका? सॉल्वेंट, दैट इज H2O. So given that 29 gram of H2SO4 present in 100 gram of solution, so 352.8 gives how much? Now density is equal to mass by volume. You are having a mass divided by volume 1000, simplified density 1.22 gram per ml. Question number 11. A gas occupies a volume of 300 cc at 27 degrees Celsius and 620 mm pressure. The volume of gas at 47 degrees Celsius and 640 mm pressure is. So that is chapter number 5, combined gas equation. P1V1 by T1 is equal to P2V2 by T2. Make a form of V1 and you get your answer. और आपका आंसर है B Bombay 310. कंबाइंड गैस इक्वेशन P1V1 by T1 is equal to P2V2 by T2 लगा दीजिए and make a form of V1. Your answer is B Bombay. 12th. न्यूमेरिकल एंड एक्सरसाइज में किया हुआ है ऑलमोस्ट सेम. हीमोग्लोबिन कंटेन 0.33% ऑफ आयरन बाय वेट. अप्रोक्सीमेटली मोलर मास दिया हुआ है. नंबर ऑफ आयरन कितने मिलेंगे? 4. Fe का मोलिकुलर वेट है 56. सो योर आंसर इज D Delhi 4. Let's start the 13 H2O2. सेम हाइड्रोजन वाले चैप्टर में किया था 10 वॉल्यूम वाला कैलकुलेशंस, याद कीजिए. यहां पे 20 वॉल्यूम के लिए पूछा हुआ है. सो स्टेटमेंट नंबर 13 आपने पढ़ लिया. सेम स्टेटमेंट आपको अवेलेबल था इंस्टेड ऑफ 20 वॉल्यूम 10 वॉल्यूम चैप्टर नंबर 9 हाइड्रोजन के अंदर. 20 volume of H2O2 means 1 ml of H2O2 solutions having 20 ml of O2 at NTP. So simple, for a 5000 ml or 5 liter of O2, the volume of 20, the H2O2 required is 1 divided by 20 multiplied by 5000, that is 250 ml. So your answer A Ahmedabad is your right answer. Statement number 14, you are given one equation. उसके बाद 4 ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं. अगर आप थोड़ा सा फोकस करो तो 6 मोल ऑफ HCl लिबरेट 3 मोल ऑफ H2. फाइन, तो यहीं से आपको पता चल जाएगा 3 multiplied by 22.4 just because H2 at STP. So 3 multiplied by 22.4 liter of H2 releases when 6 mole of HCl is used during this reaction. Simple stoichiometry. 6 मोल के लिए 3 into 22.4 तो 1 के लिए कितना, तो 3 into 22.4 divided by 6 means 11.2 liter of H2 at STP. One more concentrated sulfuric acid वाला statement on your screen. Given data extract कीजिए 95% of H2SO4, डेंसिटी दी हुए 1.834 एंड फाइनल 4 ऑप्शंस देख लीजिए. लेट्स स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशन. So 95% H2SO4 by weight means 95 gram in 100 gram. Number of moles ढूंढ लीजिए. Number of moles is given mass divided by molar mass. 95 divided by 98 means 0.969 mole. Now volume of 100 gram of H2SO4, density is equal to mass by volume. Make a form of volume. Volume is equal to mass by density. So you get volume. Volume को लीटर में कन्वर्ट कीजिए and finally molarity, moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. And your answer is 17.8 means A Ahmedabad is your right answer. Statement number 16 on your screen. When 50 ml of 16.9% of AgNO3 is mixed with 50 ml of 5.8% NaCl solution, then so 50 ml of 16.9% AgNO3, सबसे पहले number of moles ढूंढ लीजिए. Then 50 ml of 5.8% NaCl, number of moles ढूंढ लीजिए. Most important ये numerical का part है balance करना chemical. When AgNO3 is treated with NaCl, you get AgCl is precipitated out and Na plus plus and Cl minus means NaCl is released. So AgCl and NaNO3 is your byproduct. Here in case there is a typo error, AgCl plus NaNO3 is your byproduct. So number of moles means given mass divided by molar mass. So that is N of AgCl multiplied by molar mass, and your final answer is 7.02. That is C Calcutta is your right answer. 17 on your screen. 2 साल पहले नीट में पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन सेम. नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इन 4.2 ग्राम ऑफ N3 minus ion. So N3 minus ion is equal to 1. So 1 mole or 42 gram of N3 minus having Avogadro number. Then 42 gram having how many valence electron? 1 gram having how many valence electron, and finally that is given 4.2 gram having how much. So 4.2 into Avogadro divided by 42 valence electron, that is your answer is B Bombay. 0.1 into Na valence electron. Question number 18 on your screen. 74.75% means 100 minus 74.75 means 25.25 gram. Then you find out the equivalent weight. Equivalent weight means weight of metal divided by weight of chlorine multiplied by 35.5. 25.25 divided by 74.75 multiplied by 35.5 is equal to 12. So valency of metal is equal to 2 into vapor density, that is molar mass, divided by equivalent weight of metal plus 35.5. 35.5 means present chlorine. So that is 2 into 94.8 divided by 12 plus 35.5 is equal to 4. So formula of compound is MCl4. क्वेश्चन अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर लीजिएगा. Statement number 19 on your screen. So same numerical and exercise में हमने प्रैक्टिस किया था एम्पिरिकल फॉर्मूला मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला वाला. फाइन, वहां पे भी सेम था. कंबस्टिबल गैस कन्वर्टेड इनटू कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड H2O ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, एंड फाइनल आंसर आप सभी को पता था. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा चेंज है. योर आंसर इज D Delhi C7H8. नेक्स्ट 20th वॉशिंग सोडा के लिए 3 सैंपल के बारे में बताया गया हुआ है। सो बेसिक केमिकल फॉर्मूला क्या होगी? Na2CO3 when treated with 2 mole of HCl, 2Na is replaced and you get 2NaCl, H2O and CO2 is released. Means 1 mole of Na2CO3 release 1 mole of CO2. But instead of Na2CO3, if we are using NaHCO3, then NaHCO3 required only 1 mole of HCl. You get NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. So final chemical equation Na2CO3 plus NaHCO3 plus NaCl plus HCl, it is in excess, gives 8 mole of CO2 plus CO2. So basically 9 moles are released. किस हिसाब से? 8 मोल मिलेंगे Na2CO3 में से, 1 मोल मिलेगा आपको NaHCO3 में से, and finally you get 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 mole of CO2 is released in 1 kg of washing soda. Statement number 21, straight away equation, A Ahmedabad is your right answer. Statement number 22 on your screen, given data extract कीजिए, molarity of the solution. Now hope you can find out the molarity of the solution. I don't think कि मुझे इसमें हेल्प करने की जरूरत है. Your answer is B Bombay. So 21 is A Ahmedabad, 22 is B Bombay. Let's start with 23. Now unknown compound made up by nitrogen and hydrogen. अगर हाइड्रोजन 12.5 है तो नाइट्रोजन बाय डिफॉल्ट 87.5 हो जाएगा. सेम इंपेरिकल फॉर्मूला, मोलिकुलर फॉर्मूला का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कीजिए एंड योर आंसर इज डी दिल्ली. 24 बहुत इजी स्ट्रेट अवे इक्वेशन है. एक केमिकल फॉर्मूला बना दीजिए. BaCl2 plus H2SO4 gives BaSO4 plus 2HCl. Once again, when BaCl2 is treated with H2SO4, you get BaSO4 plus 2HCl. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड दोनों का मास सेम होना चाहिए. सो योर आंसर इज ए अहमदाबाद. 25 ऑन योर स्क्रीन. स्टेटमेंट पढ़िए, गिवन डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट कीजिए. 5 मोल ऑफ CO plus I2O5 gives 5 CO2 plus I2. So moles of I2O5 is equal to given mass divided by molar mass, that is 0.01, which approximately 0.05 mole of CO is released, that is 1/5. Weight of CO is 0.05 multiplied by 28, that is CO2, carbon is 12, oxygen is 16, तो carbon monoxide is 28 and CO2 का होगा 44, तो 2 minus 1.4 is equal to 0.6. That's why percentage of CO2 is equal to 0.6 divided by 2 multiplied by 100 means 30%. C Calcutta is your right answer. 26 statement on your screen. Apply PV is equal to nRT and finally your answer molar mass is 30.12. Hence NO B Bombay is your right answer. 27 on your screen. वन केमिकल फॉर्मूला दैट यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर और उसके ऊपर से ऑक्सीजन की कैलकुलेशंस करके न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करना है. फर्स्ट प्रिपेयर द केमिकल फॉर्मूला. द रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन इज 2KMnO4 plus 3H2SO4 gives K2SO4 plus 2MnSO4 plus 3H2O plus 5O, that is nascent oxygen. Likewise Fe के लिए इक्वेशन प्रिपेयर कीजिए. 2FeC2O4 plus 3H2SO4 plus 3 nascent oxygen gives Fe2SO4 thrice plus 2CO2 plus 3H2O. नाउ इसके ऊपर से ऑक्सीजन का कैलकुलेशन फाइंड आउट कीजिए. कैलकुलेशन किस हिसाब से होगा? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. ऑक्सीजन, nascent oxygen required for 1 mole of FeC2O4 is 1.5 and 5 nascent oxygen is 2 mole. Simple multiplication कीजिए and your answer is 0.6 means B Bombay is your right answer. 28. What is the weight of oxygen required to complete combustion of 2.8 kg of ethylene? Simple numerical, ऐसा ऑलरेडी हमने कर लिया है. इक्वेशन लिख लीजिए C2H4 plus 3O2 gives 2CO2 plus 2H2O. Simplify and your answer C Calcutta is your right answer. Almost same. 29 कंबशन वाला ही है. लास्ट एम्पिरिकल फॉर्मूला, मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला, परसेंटेज दिया हुआ है. सो 28 is C Calcutta, 29 is A Ahmedabad and 30th is C Calcutta. So this is all about your DPP of chapter number 1. चैप्टर नंबर 1 की DPP के सारे क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स यहाँ पे एंड हो रहे हैं. होप आप लोगों ने ये अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कर लिया होगा. जस्ट बिकॉज नेक्स्ट वीक आप लोगों का जब भी टेस्ट हो तो आपको ये सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस पता होने चाहिए. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट फ्रॉम माय साइड. थैंक यू सो मच.